Power management in your Jayco has never been easier or more powerful with the new to market Projecta 48V 4000 watt inverter charger system. This 48 volt powerhouse breaks free from traditional 12 volt limitations. With a reduced footprint and weight compared to the Jayco off-grid X systems, this high power workhorse contains a powerful 4000 watt inverter charger capable of 8000 watt surge, a built-in 70 amp AC charger, a built-in 30 amp DC-DC charger, and a built-in 30 amp MPPT solar charger. Did I hear someone out there say that 30 amps is not that much? Well, in this 48 volt system, that's the equivalent of 120 amps charge in a 12 volt system. Admit it, now you're impressed. There's heaps of reasons to be impressed by 48 volt, and the Projecta system in your van takes full advantage of them. 48 volt means higher discharge currents. While 12 volt systems are limited to 3 kilowatts of output power, 48 volt can go up to 15 kilowatts, opening the door to more demanding applications. 48 volt systems are more efficient, with less voltage drop and lower overall power loss, meaning your devices will run for longer. The cable used for 48 volt is smaller and lighter than 12 volt, which means reduced cable and fuse temperatures when under load, extending lifespan, improving system safety, and boosting efficiency. With this efficient 48 volt system in your new Jayco, you'll enjoy a solid charge current of 70 amps at 48 volt, which means your 5 kilowatt hour battery charges from flat to full in just 1.5 to 2 hours. Now keep in mind, this rapid charge time is assuming you're plugged into mains power. When not plugged into mains, charging time will vary depending on state of charge of the battery, weather for solar, ambient temperature, and DC charging. A more compact install and massive power management results. This 48 volt system achieves it all with just 3 key components. You already know about the robust 4000 watt all-in-one inverter charger. Now let's dive into the other 2 compact components that make this system a true power heavyweight. An all-new 18-channel output module replaces the busy board of the off-grid X system. This module incorporates 16 switchable circuits for normal loads, plus 2 high output circuits for extra heavy lifting. Stay in control of your battery power with the added feature of tracking consumption on each output, displayed in both wattage and 12 volt current. This new system mirrors the off-grid X with a 7-inch colour touch display and Bluetooth connectivity, keeping things simple and efficient while delivering all the things you rely on, including caravan levelling, tyre pressure monitoring, gas level monitoring, and an array of statistical data, all at a touch of a finger. So how does it all stay powered? The 48 volt 105 amp hour lithium iron phosphate chassis mount battery is ready for the task and more. Engineered to exceed all standards of compliance, you can trust that you're safe and secure with overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and high low temperature protections. Now, just to remind those of you who are used to 12 volt systems, while 105 amp hours may seem limited, don't forget that's the equivalent of 420 amp hours at 12 volt or 5 kilowatt hours, and your battery will still be charged from flat to full in 1.5 to 2 hours. Just remember, this timing assumes you're connected to mains power. Current battery level, available sunlight, temperature, and DC input can all make a difference to your actual charge time when your 48 volt system is not plugged into mains. Finally, your 48 volt system can be expanded even further with a larger capacity battery for those of you with more demanding needs. For travellers who refuse to compromise on comfort, the new Projecta 48 volt 4000 watt inverter charger system lets you live life to the fullest in your Jayco, whether you're on or off-grid.